Hello everyone. I have a little announcement to make. I am starting a new series. Uh, I love watching movies, and lately I've been watching so many great movies. And the second thing I love the most is yapping. So, combining these things, I'm starting a new series in which I'll review some of the movies I've watched recently. So, I was going to start with Zodiac, but right after I completed Zodiac, I found so many similarities of Zodiac with Memories of Murder. Memories of Murder, if you haven't heard, it's the second greatest South Korean movie right after Parasite. You must watch both of them. If not Memories of Murder, you must watch Parasite. It's like the best 21st century movie. So, yeah, let's talk about both of these movies. The plot of both of them is same, like Zodiac is based on 1970s to 1980s, I guess, about killings. Initially, couple killings, and then uh, the pattern of the killings was changed, and yeah, it was about a killer who was never found. And similarly, Memories of Murder is also about killings from 1986 to 91, I guess. Yeah, and the killer of that was also not found. Personally, I liked Memories of Murder more. I'll get to those points later. Like, for me, the plot of the movie is how the morals of the characters changes towards the end. So, firstly, let's talk about the characters. Uh, Zodiac had Jake Gyllenhaal, Mark Ruffalo, and uh, Robert Downey Jr. And my favorite character in this movie was Jake Gyllenhaal. Uh, Jake Gyllenhaal was initially a cartoonist at a newspaper, you know, but right after the killings, he became curious about the letters received by the killers, the cipher of the killers, the code words. He was curious to solve them, but as the film, came towards the end, he became obsessed of finding killers, and no one was, you know, that obsessed. Secondly, Mark Ruffalo. Mark Ruffalo's character was very dull, and I didn't find nothing much interesting about him. Initially, he was obsessed, but later on, he ruled out that case. Yeah, his character was dull, nothing much to say. And Robert Downey Jr.'s character, he was a crime reporter. Initially, very confident, but right after, right after he received phone calls from the killer and got to know he was on the target. Uh, he started in a phase of self-consuming and all of that. Overall, the character development of the characters in Zodiac was nothing that interesting. But in this point, Memories of Murder take the lead. As let's talk about characters of Memories of Murder. First of all, my favorite character, Detective Park. Initially, Detective Park thought that he will find the killer just on his instinct. बस किलर के चेहरे पे देख के उसको पता लग जाएगा कि यही किलर है. But later on, at the end, when the girl told him that the killer's face was, just like normal faces and you won't get anything from that, तभी उसकी वो सारी साइकोलॉजी टूट जाती है. And my second favorite character, Detective Seo. Uh, yeah, Detective Seo. He was very calculated guy from the beginning, but at the end he tried to kill an innocent guy just because his instinct told him that he is the killer, even though the DNA reporting said he was not. And Detective Cho. Yeah, Detective Cho. He was the funniest character, both of these movies combined. uh, yeah, Detective Joe, he randomly throwed air kicks throughout the movie, but जैसे एंड आता है he got his leg amputated, and वो मेरे लिए थोड़ा इमोशनल था. But nothing much to say about Detective Joe as well. Just he was a funny character, nothing much to say. Yeah, in this aspect of character development, I think Memories of Murder took a lead. And let's talk about the suspects. Uh, in Zodiac, there were mainly one suspect, Lee. There were so many similarities in Lee and the killer, but the police उसको छोड़ देती है just because his handwriting didn't match with the killer. कितना क्रैश आउट वाला पॉइंट था. Means it took the movie took 1 hour of my time to point at Lee as the killer, but just because his handwriting didn't match, वो पुलिस उसको छोड़ देती है. हट. And the second suspect was Rich, which was found by Jake Gyllenhaal. And इस पॉइंट पे मैं इतना क्रैश आउट हुआ, like when the point came, one of my favorite scenes from the movie, that basement scene, जहाँ पे Jake, throughout the movie, the detective thought that the killer was ambidextrous, like the killer can write with both of his hands. But at that basement scene, Jake Gyllenhaal को लगा maybe there are two killers, and the movie does not even reflect on that point any later, और बस इतने छोटे से पार्ट के लिए सस्पेक्ट लाए. And it was very raging that they didn't put light on that suspects as well. In this scenario as well, Memories of Murder take a lead because they represent every suspect. They took it to the depth. हर एक suspect की depth पे लेके गए. Like the first suspect, the boy with his face half burnt. Towards the end, he was the main suspect of Detective Park. But end में जब realize होता है कि he was not the killer, but he saw the killings of the girl, तो वो भी theft पे एकदम लेके गए. The second suspect, the person they found at the killings and that farm. Yeah, the farm killing scene was the best scene in the whole, both of these movies combined. When we actually saw the killer, killing that girl who was leading to the factory through the farms, that was the best scene through, both of these movies combined. Yeah, I was talking about the suspect in the farm. वो उसकी भी डेप्थ में गए. They later on found that he was just a pervert and nothing much. And the third suspect, that guy from that Lonely Song, or whatever that song name was, Lonely Boy song, yeah, उसकी भी डेप्थ में गए. Later they found out through the DNA that he was not the suspect. I mean, in this aspect, Memories of Murder took the lead कि वो हर एक सस्पेक्ट की डेप्थ में गए. बट इन जोडियक ली को लेके बैठ गए. ली को लेके बैठ गए, जो एक रिक वाला जो पॉइंट था वो इतना इंटरेस्टिंग हो सकता था. दैट throughout the movies the detective thought that the killer could write with both of its hands, but later कि ऐसा हो जाए कि जो किलर था, बल्कि किलर दो किलर थे, एक लेफ्टी एक राइटी, उस पॉइंट की तरफ लेके ही नहीं गए. सो या, इन दैट सिनेरियो ऑल्सो Zodiac loses to Memories of Murder. And let's talk about the killer. In Memories of Murder, किलर के पास एक वो था रीजन. किलर had a reason, he first R-word those girls and then killed them. But in Zodiac, the killer had no reason, no point of killing. He was just a random maniac, you know, जो कि एक सोल ले जाता है किलर से कि उसका कोई रीजन ना हो. And both of these movies, you know, they were never about detective and all. They were about obsession, uncertainty, and, you know, killer not only killing those girls but killing those detectives as well indirectly. कैसे उनकी लाइफ में फर्क पड़ा. Like Detective Park, he left his detective job. Detective Cho, he got his knee amputated. Detective Seo, Detective Seo के साथ सबसे माड़ी हुई. Detective Seo saw that, you know, the girl of his known killed by that killer. And yeah, Zodiac में Robert Downey Jr., his character became drunkard. Mark Ruffalo character, I won't even talk about him. He was very dull character. And Jake Gyllenhaal character, उसका भी एंड में फैमिली से बहुत बुरे रिलेशन हो जाते हैं. ऑल डैट. ओवरऑल अगर सिनेमाटोग्राफी वाइज भी देखोगे ना, in that scenario as well, you know, Memories of Murder has some shots that I can have as my wallpaper. So in that scenario as well, Memories of Murder takes the lead. So if you wanna watch one movie among these two, you must watch Memories of Murder. Yeah, that's it. Enough of my yapping. It's been like 12 or 13 minutes.